Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost of Matu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Numb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away! Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in. I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong. Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention! You have just been captured by the First Order. You will leave now and head for your interrogation. Let's move. Ramp to the right.
Right behind them. How many? Two. Follow them. How many? Two. Follow them. Right there. One.
Follow this line behind them. Follow the line. Be on the lines by standing on the pier.
Forward just a bit. How many are you?
This line.
Two. And how many are you?
One step.
Two. Okay. Well, no, because they're going the wrong way. They should have stayed where I pointed on the color red. They're going to join me on red. You two are on blue. You two are on blue. One, you're on red. How many are you? You're on the color orange. How many are you?
Good. Look down. You should be standing up. When the cell
Side by
door
side,
opens,
move
you
it.
must find that exact color code. When I close that door, your interrogation will begin. Right now, if you have a bag on your back, shoulder, or waist, remove it. All those bags go in your hands. If you have cargo on top of your head, remove it and get it stored.
You'll take one step forward. You all put on the colors.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. You're lucky I didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in attention block 3.
Power's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on level D. There they are! Fire!
Neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
By the ventral cannon!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Reach you outside of that.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think we're all sorry. Right? Where's your lieutenant? Any eyes?